Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will cover everything that you need to know how to add paginations and searching boxes to custom fields. When your custom fields provide too many values to choose from, you shouldn't display them all at once. Adding pagination to separate those values into pages, also providing a search box to search any value right in the field will come in handy. Here is an example. This field includes various images that you can choose from. Instead of showing all of them on this screen, I use this pagination and a search box to find a reasonable one easier. So, how to have them on the field? Let's go ahead with this tutorial. First of all, we have the MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework to create custom fields. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. In this practice, I create just two typical fields for demonstration, so do not use any advanced features from MetaBox. You can create the fields using Code, Online Generator, or UI provided by MetaBox Builder extension. If you want to have the UI, you can install this extension individually, or use MetaBox all-in-one to enable it. I have two fields here. This is to show some image options to choose from. And this field allows adding text to search any image that is in the below field. I will create them now. Go to MetaBox, add fields as usual. The search box should be a text field that allows typing characters inside. To add the search feature to this field, we will use JavaScript later, so we should add a class for this field. The next field is to provide some images, so I'll add it as an image select field. In the choices box of this field settings, add some images. This is the URL of the image. This is the name of the image that you set on your own. This name will be the value saved in the custom field. In the advanced settings section of this field, I add a text to display after the field like this. This is to list the pagination numbers later, which are regulated by a class named Pagination. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select a post type which you want to assign these fields to. Then, go to the Post Editor. You will see the fields displayed. All the images in this field are displaying without any pagination since we haven't created it. This search box hasn't worked as well. Let's move on to the next step to make it real. We should add code to the themes files to add some functions for the fields. They help to create the pagination and search feature. Go to Theme Fields Editor. Add some lines of code. First, since I will use JS, I declare the JS Online library that I will use. This is to create a file to insert JS code. This is the theme that I'm using for my website. These lines of code are used to display the pagination and stipulate its style. But we haven't created it yet. Let's go ahead. Go to the created JS file. Add this git. These are to create the pagination. In this example, I divided it into 3 pages. This also regulated that this pagination is used for the field that is in the type as image select only. And this function handles the search function for the field that you've created above. Here is the ID of the field group I've created. Now, back to the post editor. You'll see page numbers 1, 2, and 3. It's pagination. Click on each page, you will see different images. The search box also worked well. So, that's the end of today's tutorial. Did you find it make sense to you? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more upcoming helpful tutorials. Bye.